everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be mixing all of my slimes. As you guys can see, I have a lot of slime, and when I mean a lot, I mean it could not fit into the entire frame, so I had to take out a lot of them. They are off camera, but I do have a lot of slimes. I just chose these ones because they were the most bright and colorful. Before you go crazy and think that I'm going crazy for mixing all of my slimes, just wait and let me explain. Now, I started making slime back in 2017, which would mean I've been playing and making slime for around 3 years now, which is a long time. And all this slime has gotten old, and I've been playing with slime for a long time. So I thought it'd be the perfect idea to get rid of it because it's 2020, start of a new year, start of a new slime making. So get rid of all this slime, make a bunch of new slimes. But I did keep my favorite slimes that I really liked and that I loved. So I kept those ones, but I am getting rid of most of them. Since I've already explained to you guys pretty much what I'm going to do in this video, which is mixing all my slimes, so it's going to be more of an ASMR instead of me talking the entire time. At this point, I finally realized that this bowl was not going to fit the remaining slimes because it was already overflowing. No, it's spilling everywhere. Oh my gosh, no. Okay, I gotta take a thumbnail. Stay on there. Oh my gosh. Oh dang, that one's really melted. And here are all of my slimes over the past couple of years. Now, I think this is so beautiful, and you can disagree with me, but I think it is gorgeous.